Pinag-aaralan po ng Senado na i-declare na persona non grata yung ilang officials ng Chinese Embassy. And nauna na po yung Municipality of Kalayaan sa Palawan na i-declare as persona non grata si Chinese Ambassador Jing Quan. Ang Malacanang po ba ay pag-aaralan din na mag-declare ng persona non grata sa officials ng Chinese Embassy?
Kahapon po ay nakausap po mismo natin si Secretary Tess Lazaro para ipaalam po sa mga kababayan natin kung ano ang stance ng DFA at ng pamahalaan. Babasahin ko po sa inyo ang statement mismo mula sa DFA. The Department of Foreign Affairs takes note of the proposed resolutions in both houses of the Philippine Congress that calls for declaring diplomatic personnel of the Chinese Embassy as persona non grata. The declaration of persona non grata is one of the most severe forms of diplomatic action that can be imposed by the government against foreign diplomatic personnel. While it is within the remit of the DFA, such an action is an option of last resort, second only to downgrading of relations, when diplomatic relations with a certain country has seriously fractured that no intervening remedy can stabilize the interaction and engagement. It also carries tremendous implications moving forward, such as reciprocal action or other countermeasures in other areas, which is why it should not be made lightly and decided only with careful and clear thought and preparedness for how it will shape the Philippines' strategic interests moving forward. The DFA remains committed to its mandate to conduct diplomacy in an appropriate and effective manner that advances the overall national interest. It is in direct communication with the Chinese government on various bilateral and international issues that are of great importance to the Philippines. It is hoped that the DFA would be provided with ample space to perform its functions and to sort out issues with foreign counterparts through dialogue and consultation rather than through public discourse, in accordance with the President's vision and guidance as the architect of Philippine foreign policy. End of quote.
Isang follow-up lang, ma'am. Nabanggit din po ni Senator Lacson kanina sa isang panayam na regardless kung makapagpasa sila ng resolution for declaring persona non grata, at the end of the day, si Pangulo pa rin po ang magde-decide kung magpapataw ng ganong decision. Ano po yung, may nabanggit po ba ang Pangulo? Is he aware dito sa nagiging palitan ng Chinese and Philippine officials? And ano po ang position niya dito?
Aware po siya at nakikipag-usap din po siya kay Secretary Tess Lazaro. At ang aking nabanggit na sinasabi nating polisiya, yun po ang sinasabi ng Pangulo.